Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you a couple of different things. The first one is how to customize your profile. To get the most out of customizing the decorations in your profile, you do unfortunately have to pay for Discord Nitro, otherwise it's very bare bones. However, if you do, I'll show you how to do per server profiles and all of that fun stuff. So if we go to our user settings in the lower left-hand corner under the gear icon, we'll pop into the Profiles tab in the left-hand sidebar, and this is where the magic happens. So right now, my profile's got like a crazy breakfast animation where food gets flung everywhere. I've got some weird... I think this animation on my character profile is from some murder stripper advertisement for a movie that they had on here a while back. And then, like, I've got an animated profile banner and all that good stuff. What you get when you don't pay for this is you get a profile picture, a banner color, no animations except for the one that appears over your profile picture if you get one for free, either from some event that Discord's doing or one of their little advertising promos where you watch an ad for a movie and they give you an animated little thing for like 3 to 4 months. It's kind of silly, but it's kind of fun if you do bother to pay for Discord Nitro. And you can have a custom specific display name and custom decorations for every single server that you're a part of. You can look and be a different person in each one of them if you want to. So let's just start from the top. So they're advertising the profile shop, because to buy a lot of these animations, you actually have to use real money to pay for it. So they come in like bundles where you can be like a cherry blossom tree from Japan or a cool hologram dragon and stuff like that. And you can kind of go through here and see, like, you could have a Cyber Katana profile picture, a glitch banner for your name placard. I've got like a koi pond thing going on right now. And you've got different options here for stuff that you can do. And you buy it, they're like, $4 to $8. It's kind of steep for a small animation, but it is what it is. From there, you can change your display name. This is my general purpose display name for my main account. But you can change this in the per server profiles. You can change this to be something specific if you want. Then down here, you can change your avatar, which is your profile picture, either by clicking Change Avatar button, or you can click on your actual picture in the preview. Same thing with the banner. For my banner, let's look for a different banner. You can either upload an image that you have, but whatever you upload has to be under 10 megabytes and should be at least 680 pixels by 240. But let's go for like a sci-fi banner, like sci-fi stuff. So there's like a scene from Prometheus, some vaporwave stuff with a random Asian guy, Miss Piggy in space. You've got all the best stuff here. Oh, this is crazy. Whatever that is. What is floating my goat today? Some of this stuff's a little weird. This looks cool. What is this? Oh, it's a mech pilot. It looks sci-fi enough. We'll go with it. Although this is taking a strangely long time to load a single animated GIF. Alright, apparently this doesn't work super amazing all of the time. But hey, now you know, and that's some portion of the battle we don't really want to talk about. Alright, well, if that other one's broken for a GIF, let's click on this one and see if it wants to load that. It does. So now we're some weird multi-limbed alien. I'll just hit apply and save changes. Now that's my default profile's animated banner. And you can use an animated GIF in your profile picture too, either uploading one or you can use one from in here as well. So you can change your avatar that way. You just upload one. You can also change your avatar decoration. So I've got a handful of them that I've got. Here's some ones that you get free with Nitro. I got some of these for free by watching ads. So I could switch from this weird bra one to this video game one and hit apply. And hit save. So now I've got a cool little controller zapping stuff. And then nameplate. Nameplate's kind of new. It's literally just what shows up as the background under your name. And that especially shows up in the sidebar here. You see how it's got a little animation. So I can change that as well. Change nameplate. I don't get any for free. I feel like all of these should have some lame ones that you can get for free for paying for Discord Nitro, but they disagree. Then you can change your profile effect. That's what goes on in this like whole card. Profile banner I already changed. And then the theme is your primary color is like the background of this page where you write your fancy information. And then the accent color is what becomes your button color in this profile. Then you can fill out a little bit about yourself. I just put links to my Discord and to my YouTube channel. And then down here at the bottom is something that you can, that's something new that you can add. If you're a part of a server that has a bunch of boosts, they can set up like a special tag where you can show off that you're a part of that community. Like if you're a part of Helldivers or Ultima Online Forever or Memology or Enshrouded, you can select one of these and it'll display on your profile when you hit save. So now it shows up here, and it also shows up on the sidebar and in chats that I'm a part of Helldivers, and they can click on this. If it's a public server, they'll be able to join it. Otherwise, it'll say it's private. The last thing that's in here is you can display a legacy username badge. They can see what my username used to be. This is only pertinent to people who have accounts that were made before Discord changed how usernames worked. Just kind of like to show who you are in case people get confused as to what you changed your name to. I only really have this on for the sake of a tutorial. You can pretty much just leave this off. Newer accounts won't even have this option because you didn't have an account back when they had the old username system. So that just toggles on and off. It just gives you a little badge somewhere in here that when you hover over it shows who you used to be. I think it's the little hashtag. And then that's it for that stuff. Now the other thing you can do is you can go through every single server that you're a part of, and you can make a different version of yourself so that people who like know you as like Billy Mitchell or the demon from Freddie Mercury's Nightmares, you can call yourself that on that Discord. Like I can go to Most Wanted. I'm known as Otis Nugget here because I was playing a hillbilly. And then you can put your pronouns and then a bunch of custom artwork to represent who you are on that server. Then when they look at this, they'll only see that profile unless they right-click you to see like your proper profile. Because you can just click on somebody and this is their server profile, but if you right-click them and go to profile, it'll show them your full profile, the one that's attached to your account that works as your backup default profile. Otherwise, though, when you make per server profiles, they're all exactly the same settings. It's just that you have to set them up individually for every single server. And if you're in a lot of servers, that can be a lot of work. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to customize your profile with a bunch of different looks and feels. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.